Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. I made this candle in a previous video, but I wanted to turn it into a centerpiece by making this floral ring to go around it. I'll be using a variety of romantic type flowers that I got from my local Dollar Tree store, and a floral foam that's in the shape of a donut, and some pink burlap ribbon. I'm pushing the leaves up as far as I can go, and I'm cutting them off the stems about 1 inch deep. I'm going to do that to a few flowers, and then I'll add more as I go. Now I will reuse these for another project, or maybe several other projects, but I never really throw things like this out. It is definitely viable craft material. I try not to waste anything if I can help it. This burlap ribbon piece came from the Dollar Tree store, and it is 9 feet long, and I end up using the whole thing to go around this ring. I decided to start by alternating the flowers, the pink and red roses, and then I went back in and I put the poinsettias in between them, kind of at the top and bottom. Now this horseshoe shaped thing, I made that from a piece of stem, from just one of the floral stems, and I'm putting that in just to help the burlap ribbon stay in place. When I started putting these flowers in, I didn't really have an idea in mind of how I wanted it to look exactly. I just started making it up as I go, and I really liked the way it turned out. But starting with the alternating flowers, the red and pink roses, really gave me something to work with. And I really like how the green stands out. And now to make it a little bit sparkly, I'm putting these hearts in there. And I'm putting some red glittery hearts as well. I'll place a link to my candle DIY video at the end of this video and in the description below. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.